All right, if you're thinking about moving to Florida and Port Orange is on your radar, today's video is going to save you a ton of time and potentially a lot of money. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 real houses in Port Orange: 115,000, 639,000, and 775,000. This is not cherry-picked houses that I just randomly went and put my finger on. These are real houses, active right now, and can be purchased. So same city, same market, just a little bit different lifestyles. And here's a key stat that you need to know about Port Orange, is that the houses in Port Orange average 92% sale to list price. So $1 million home is selling for $920,000. So we're going to go through those stats today, and we're going to go and show you what those real numbers would look like on the houses that we're going to see. So I will tell you, again, with Port Orange, with the negotiating at 92%, it does show you there's a lot of leverage, negotiation, and value. So let's start with the most affordable options and work our way up. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, you want to learn everything there is to know about living in New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas like Port Orange, which we are today, then you come to the right place. My name is Matt Ecoff. I'm a local real estate expert. I'm here with my beautiful wife, Rachel Ecoff, and we're here to share everything from the best neighborhoods to the hottest spots around town. Listen, we get phone calls, emails, Zoom invites every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in 2 days, 20 days, or 200 days, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you move to the beach. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the updates and notifications about New Smyrna Beach and surrounding area. And at any point today, you want to leave a comment or ask a question or just make a comment, please do so. Let's get started looking at our 3 houses in Port Orange.
All right, so we are covering Port Orange today. It is between Daytona Beach and New Smyrna Beach. It is on either side of 95, so it's east and west. It is one of our mainland cities that we do cover on the channel, and it is a great area for shopping. It's conveniently located close to both of those beaches, so it's easy to get to both of those. And today we are in Vineyard. It is a subdivision here in Port Orange, a master plan community, and we are going to go see what a $515,000 house looks like. All right, so behind me is an example. This is our first stop that we're making today, and this is an example of a home that's around the 515 price range. So mid 500s is what we're looking at. Typically, you're going to get a home in established neighborhoods like this. Homes are built between the 90s and early 2000s. Is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,000 square foot home, and it also has a pool. It's on an oversized lot, really popular with retirees, people who are downsizing. The schools in this area are also really, really well established. They're good schools. They're an A-rated district. So if you're looking to move to an A-rated district, Port Orange is your place. The HOAs are also around $27 a month. Now, we're going to talk about the 92% list to price sale. So in the Port Orange market right now, homes are selling for about 92% of that list to price sale. So if you're at $515,000, you're looking at $473,800 is what you're typically could probably get this home behind me for. So one thing I want to point out to out-of-towners so that they fully understand is that Port Orange does not behave like a speculative beach market. It's steady, it's local, and buyers here are value-driven. That's why homes aren't selling at the 100% of list to price like we saw during the frenzy, but they're also not collapsing. It's a healthy, rational market. So when you're looking in Port Orange, you're going to get that typical 92% list to price sale.
Okay, so we're at stop number 2. This is 2900 Cypress Ridge Trail in Port Orange. This was listed for $639,000. Now, we're stepping into the mid 600s, and this is where Port Orange really starts to shine. So we're in the Spruce Creek flying community. This is an unbelievable community. We're going to do a video dedicated just to this neighborhood. John Travolta used to live here. This neighborhood is known for having private hangars and private runways. So you can have, they have their own private runway here, and then literally your own driveway to your hangar, sometimes attached to the houses. So the houses range from way to the multi-millions down to around 600,000. So this one's on the low end. Again, this one is $639,000 right here behind me. So around $639,000, buyers are usually getting newer construction, more modern layouts, higher ceilings, often gated and master planned community. Like you saw, this is gated, guard gated 24 hours, and it is a huge master plan community. You'll also see better kitchens, larger primary suites, and probably more outdoor living space. This is on water, for example, so along the back, there's water back there, which is a great feature. This price range attracts a lot of people from the Northeast and the Midwest, people selling higher priced homes elsewhere than looking for comfort and not compromises here. So it's still very much drive on the beach lifestyle, but with less maintenance and more predictability, while retirees especially appreciate this. So we're only about 25 minutes to the beach, only about 20 minutes to Canal Street. So you still have everything. We're just down the street from Port Orange Pavilion, which is their really great shopping complex. So at this mid-range price that we're looking at today, this is also where I'm seeing the best balance and value of lifestyle right now. You're not paying oceanfront premiums, but you're getting quality newer construction and a strong resale demand while being in Port Orange that has some of the highest school ratings in Smyrna Beach. All right, so I was talking about the houses in Port Orange were selling for around 92% of the list sale. So on this one, it listed at $639,000 behind me. At 92% of the list sale, you could get this probably for around $587,880. That's 92% of the $639,000. So you're under $6 in a unbelievable guard-gated fly-in community that has a country club, tennis, pickleball, restaurant, and everything that you could imagine in Spruce Creek's fly-in community. All right, so we're on our way to the third house that we're going to go see. This one is actually on the water, and it's on the east side of 95. The other two that we're looking at in the vineyards and in Spruce Creek fly-in community are both on the west side of 95. So this third house is on the water. Like I said, it's a gorgeous location, but we're just kind of talking about some of the things Port Orange has to offer that we aren't bringing up in our clip, because we want to talk about, this is a lifestyle channel, but we also want to talk about the houses as we're standing in front of them. And sometimes we even forget to say, how many bedrooms and bathrooms. I mean, at the Spruce Creek home, I didn't even say how many bedrooms, bathrooms, or square footage. I didn't talk about the HOA. So a lot of things that could be left to be desired. Now, hopefully the dress was up there, and so if you saw it, you could look it up yourself. But nevertheless, this is a lifestyle channel. So some of the things about Port Orange that are just phenomenal is that you are not paying the oceanfront premiums, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So I sold a house to a couple, Shane and Shay. They were watching our videos. They lived in Salt Lake City, Utah, moved here. I think we looked at 12 total houses in New Smyrna Beach because that's where they wanted to be. And then she started expanding her search, and then she's like, hey, let's go look at one in Port Orange. It happened to be in the flying community, which is one of my favorite communities in all the areas that we cover. And they ended up buying something in there. It was over 4,000 square foot home, 5 bedrooms, 4 bath, huge corner lot with a creek in the backyard. We got it for about $729,000 and got a new roof replaced. Phenomenal deals you can get here in Port Orange. But the things that make Port Orange convenient, we have just passed a Publix, a whole town center called the Pavilion, which has a TJ Maxx and all the other stuff that Rachel likes, coffee shops. We're getting ready to pass a Target. This is where our local Target is, as well as a Home Depot and a Lowe's, all on this street. And the schools here are some of the best ranked schools in New Smyrna Beach. And in fact, we talk a lot about Venetian Bay. Venetian Bay is partly as popular as it is because if you live in Venetian Bay, your kids can decide if they want to go to New Smyrna Beach Middle School or if they want to go to the middle school in Port Orange.
That's true. And so you've got a really good, healthy option right there about where you want to send kids to school, which I know is important for a lot of people who are watching the channel and they want to know more about like the school districts and the areas. And I like Port Orange because this is where we come to go shopping for, whatever we want to do, like Target and the Pavilion, which has all the different stores. There's restaurants over there.
Movie theater
over there. And it's not far away from anything. It's really convenient, and 95 is right there. So you can get to
you're 15 minutes from Daytona, 15 minutes from New Smyrna Beach. You're 20 minutes to Ponce Inlet's beach, which is a beautiful beach, and in fact that's where they started the original Daytona 500. They just moved it to Daytona. But
it's just convenient. I really like Port Orange because of its convenience.
Yep.
It's right in the middle, and you're not beachside like some of the other towns, but you are close enough that you live by the beach. If you live in Port Orange, you live by the beach.
Yep. Yeah, but you're not paying those oceanfront prices or the beachside prices.
You're not paying the beachside prices.
Yeah. So this last one that we're going to go see, we'll talk about when we get there. But this is an unbelievable home. We just wanted to get on and just kind of do a little quick back and forth on, some of the things that we feel like we're missing out, because this is a lifestyle channel. And yes, I'm a real estate agent, I want to sell real estate, and I want you to call me to help you buy real estate or sell real estate, but we also want to make it about the lifestyle. So just wanted to do a quick clip on that.
Okay, so we're at our third home. It is the top of our price list today at $775,000. So when you're in this price range and you're looking over here in this side of Port Orange, which is right off of Riverside Drive, you can see the Intracoastal behind me. You're looking at a whole different conversation here. So like I said, this one is listed for $775,000. It's got to be a fire sale because this is an incredible property. Riverside Drive is a very, very popular destination because of its location. And when you're talking about this price range, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for location. You're looking for a little bit more space. You're going to get a little more customized features in homes like these. The home is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,100 square feet on a ½ acre. There's no HOAs out here, so you are free to do what you want. But look at the views and the Intracoastal water. I mean, we're right across the street from the beach. So across that bridge, if you go left, you're going into Daytona. If you go right, you're going into Ponce Inlet. This is an incredible property. So it's only been on for about 6 hours, and I have a feeling it's going to go. We're going to be a little more conservative with the price on this one. It's going to be like a 95 list to sale price, 95%. We do know the agent and broker that is on this home in particular, and she plays hardball. So we feel like 95% is a little more accurate for this property. So that puts you about $736,800 for the sale of this home. And again, with a property like this, you're looking at $1.2 million that you're going to actualize for this. Just the property alone. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. And yeah, so that's why this is at the top of our price range today in Port Orange.
All right, so we got to look at 3 houses today, drive around Port Orange a little bit, talk a little bit about it in the car. So let's talk about the real takeaways, comparing Port Orange price points. Okay, so we had the $515,000, practical, solid, great schools, strong value in the Vineyards, right? That's the development we're in.
Yeah, Vineyards, which is a master plan community.
Yep, big master plan community.
We got number 2 in
Spruce Creek Flying Community. You gotta love it. $639,000. It's the best balance for lifestyle, condition, and predictability. Also, it's a great country club community. So if you like riding on a golf cart or an e-bike and around and are big into social, that's definitely your place, because we got pickleball, we got gym, we got restaurants, we got tennis, a clubhouse, tons of golf. So
very social community.
And then our third house that we saw was $775,000 and location driven, big time, high end living without all the different chaos. But also, man, oh man, that lot
was great. And I want to point out all of the homes right there on Riverside Drive are all appreciating.
Through the roof.
Beautiful area. I hope that we got a really good clip of the drive-by of the homes because they're all gorgeous. So,
and again, Rachel said it, that has got to be a fire sale. I know that broker that's got the listing. Again, it's only been active for 6 hours, and she overprices things a lot because she loves to negotiate. If you go under contract with her or try to, she always says, get ready to take your gloves off. So the value on that is at least $1.1 million for just the land alone, because it's 0.46 acres. Really huge, and it's on the water. And that plot of land on the water side is yours also, so you can do anything you want. So listen, remember, with homes selling about 92% of the original list price, buyers still have room to negotiate, especially if you understand the neighborhood and you have a good agent to do that. Listen, we get phone calls, emails, text messages, and Zoom invites every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in 2 days, 20 days, or 200 days, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you move to the beach. Until next time, thanks for joining us.
Bye from Port Orange.
Bye.